What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever more. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever more. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever more. People that use fiat
1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, there we go. There we go. We now got the audio working. G to the freaking M, my friends. Welcome to the Memecoin show. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the moon. And we are winning indeed. And if you're tired of winning, let me know right now if you're tired of winning. If you're not, stick around because I have a lot of exciting things to share with you guys. Not only some alpha on how to make money, but also some tools that will help you to be even more profitable in your trench life. Trench warriors, can you hear me? Do we have audio now? Drop a W in the chat if you can hear me. If the audio is good, drop a W in the chat right now so that I can see it. W chat. If you cannot hear me, drop an L in the chat and we're going to take care of all those problems. All right, my friends. I see the W's now. We're winning. I see the W's, we're winning. Fantastic. It's a special day today. Moo Deng is leading the charts as always. And on our stream today, we've got some special things. We've got some popos, some papaya. It means that I can stream for hours without getting tired because we've got energy supplies. Not only that I have this, I also have coconut water. We're keeping it healthy today. No more cookies. And we're going to do 100 push-ups live on this live stream. So if you're ready for it, drop a W in the chat right now. A lot of exciting things are going on. Now, I don't want to get into a story of how, why I'm so late on the stream. I'm just glad to be here. I will not tell you guys the story today. We can talk about that story a little bit later. But for now, the trenches are back. Let's trench. Let's enjoy life. Let's make some money. Okay, so if you're just joining us, my name is Gray BTC, and welcome to the Memecoin show. Oh, I think I forgot. Okay, no, I think I forgot my other sunglasses in the car. Hopefully, I didn't leave it where I'm coming from. Anyway, my name is Gray BTC, and if you're interested in making money with crypto, and if you want a show you can watch every day and it's good for your pocket and it will improve your trading life and your investment life, and you want to have fun with the DJs, I mean, welcome to the stream, man. We do this every day. I might be a little bit off with the times, but I'll try to be here as much as possible. I've been in crypto since 2016, and I'm still here. I enjoy the grind. To be honest, the reason I'm here and the reason I love crypto so much is that I just got used to not working for money. Since I discovered that there is another world out there called investing and trading, where you can make money by simply just sitting at home on your computer, and if you make the right decisions, you make money. The idea of working for money sort of escaped me. So I've been around crypto for a long time because it's the only industry right now to me that offers me that opportunity. And I like to enjoy it and share it with others. That's why a lot of people that are watching right now are also here. We like the idea of modernity. We're here and we don't really want to work too hard, man. Like you got George Soros out there. They made billions of dollars by simply being investors. Warren Buffett, that guy has never worked a day in his life. His job is that he has money. He started with a small bag of money, and he became a billionaire by simply sitting at home, making the right decisions. Buy this, sell this, buy this, sell this. Then, boom, billionaire status. The guy never had to flip a single burger at McDonald's. So that's exactly what we're trying to do here, and we're doing it together, and we're doing it with crypto. And welcome everybody to the Memecoin show. So the moment we have been waiting for is here, the flex time. It's time to flex a little bit on the haters, especially. I know the haters watch also because who in the world could be watching the show without clicking like? I mean, that is a hater. They watch, but they don't want to know, but they don't want to be seen that they're watching. So hello, hater. We now at $109,000. Yesterday we were under 100K. 3 weeks ago we had $72,000. We were done. We were down bad on this portfolio, the Memecoin portfolio. But now we are up and we are at $109,000. And then we also have $30,000 more to invest. Hitters. We're not done, okay? And then on our perpetual swaps, on our perps, we're now in profit of $21,000 on our Ethereum position, in which I gave it away for free. I told you 3 weeks ago, 11 days ago specifically. Guys, Ethereum is going to pump. It's coming. If you want to join me, let's go. And we entered the position, and you're seeing it all live right here. I'm not just telling you guys a story. And then our ton position, which I'm not really bragging about it too much these days, but it's currently now at 50% profit, which is 49%. 49%, $2,500 in profit. Small position, but we're winning big. So last time I showed you how to flip $20,000. I turned it into $140,000. Now we started with 20K. We're now sitting at $44,000. Bing! Keep it moving, baby. And we're doing it all live in front of everybody. So haters, if you're still here, let me also show you something interesting, haters. You might like this, because who in the hell would be watching this video? No like, no retweet, no share. You're a hater. We know you. Now, if you're a hater, this is something for you. Oh, hater! How do you like this now, haters? Look at Moo Deng, hater. 100+% in one freaking day. And it's only a warm-up. Yesterday and today, we up 188%. We're not done with you. Guys, if you enjoy watching the Moo Deng chart looking like this, drop the W in the chat right now. And Ninzo here says the Nitros Bull indicators are on point. Absolutely. Nitros Bull called it right here. On the 23rd of April, Nitros Bull said, yo, Moo Deng looks like it's about to send. Bullish signal popped up. Boom. That's all you had to do was to just buy and wait. And guess what? It went up a little bit and receded a little bit. And after that, we took off massively. So I'll say it again. If the Nitros Bull is what you need, is what you want to in your trading life, simple. Go to cryptouniversity.network. And then there is signals right here. And then on the signals, you will find Nitros Bull indicator right here. You pay only once, and then you have access to it forever. So I would say take advantage of it right now, because it will make you a lot of money. Why not? The best investment you can make. Otherwise, you're just going to be losing money. I don't know if you want that. All right, so let's get back into the trenches, but quickly, let me remind X that we are live, and then they should join us as well. Hey, haters, I hope now you can hit the like button, because even though you're a hater, you're copying my trades and you're making money. So who cares, hater? Just hit the like button, subscribe to the freaking channel, and act like a man for once. Don't be a coward. We are live, my friend. Okay. Share post via. Okay, we want to share this post, but on X. So what we want to do is this. Share. Post this. How high will it go? Find out here. The Memecoin freaking show, everybody, and we out here, and we sending, and we're winning, and we just getting started. If you're not ready, you gotta be ready, because the things I'm about to show you are going to break your small little brain and turn it into baloney. Guys, if you have never experienced a bull run, this is kind of what it feels like, but this is only the beginning. So whatever you have seen, don't tell anyone about it. Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet about it. Okay, so yesterday we also bought some stuff. We bought, what did we buy yesterday? We bought some trench coins. I think we bought some DD coin. That ended up being a scam because I bought in. When I tried to sell, I couldn't sell this position. I couldn't sell and exit with the amount of money that I had, that I entered with. So it's basically a smart contract scam that they have done to steal our money. So do not buy DD coin. However, we're trying to flip 8 SOL into 16, then 32, then 64, then 128. I'm trying to help a lot of people to achieve that. So I'm being transparent with how we're doing it. We have a small portfolio here that we started. We had Vine. The most profitable here was Vine, then Duke, then Duo, then Yay. But don't worry about those. Let's talk about the ones that are still active positions. So we bought Tai, which is a new AI coin that I like. We bought Vaifu, and we bought Riff, and we bought Deep, and we bought LLM, and we bought Pumpkin and Shadow and Goats. Goat is starting to move right now. And then we have made some profit on several positions. So remember, our goal is to sell whenever we double on each one of these positions, right? So a lot of them are still lukewarm. They haven't even started to move. But so far, we have actually almost doubled our money on Mabi. So let's do it like this. Okay, so it looks like the biggest profitable position right now we have is Chill Guy, but we still haven't doubled. Why? Because even though we entered when Solana was a little bit lower, Solana is up now. So every position we have has to beat Solana. And then when we have doubled our Solana, we can call it quits, and we're going to exit that position. So Chill Guy is almost there. Mabi is also almost there. Then you've got UFD, which is sort of warming up. I think this one is going to go on hard for a while. Then Titcoin also sort of lukewarm. And then you got Pumpkin, lukewarm. Very low market cap here. So I think we can expect a much higher movement on there. I just wanted to give you, so on this position, nothing we're selling, but so far we are basically in profit on the majority of our positions. The most exciting one is the Memecoin portfolio here on CoinW, which we're now at $109,000 purely trading Memecoin, bros. Where are the haters? Where are you now, haters? Okay, and we're still holding a bunch of positions here. I'm supposed to buy a few more things today, and I will reveal at the end of the show what I'm buying today. Haters, you're welcome too. And then we also have, quickly, if you're just joining us now, we got our positions on Bybit, which is Ethereum. We're in profit of $21,000, ton at $2,500. Okay. I'm doing it all. I'm cooking raw. I'm cooking right here on the stream every day, and you're watching it happen. I'm not telling you from the vines like, oh, this is what we did. I'm cooking live. I'm cooking with $10. I can cook with $100,000. I can cook with $50. So you guys got no excuses. Anybody can do this. Anybody can play this game. Okay. So hit the like button. Drop a W in the chat if you're enjoying it. Chat. I want to show you one important thing today. I will share you a small tool that I'm using now. It's helping me make a lot of profit. And also, I will do a little. Yesterday, we gave some Solana to one winner. Today, we're also going to give some Sol to one winner. Make sure you share the stream wherever you're watching, and you could be the winner for the day. Where is my phone? Okay. Okay, guys, whatever you lost, because there's so many people out there that lost, and they're like, Memecoins, I lost a lot of money. I will tell you right now, everything you lost is coming back. If you lost your girlfriend, she's going to come back. If you lost your boyfriend because you went broke, Well, surely they're all coming back, because when they see the amount of gains we're going to make, you will see what happens, my friends. Do you notice Moo Deng is outperforming SPX? Yes, I do. But we can call it that when the market cap of Moo Deng goes above SPX. When that happens, I don't know what that means for SPX, but it looks like things are going to go up. I mean, it could go to multi-billions. And if you want to know how high Moo Deng can go, I have a very, very strong thesis that I will show you today. And then it's up to you to decide how high things can go. The most important thing, guys, is to find high conviction plays where you don't always have, where you can sleep at night. Look at what happened to Moo Deng. Went down bad, and then it managed to recover itself and came back. So let me give you sort of an overview of what's happening in the market today, like a big view. If you like, as if you're sitting on top of the Burj Khalifa. So we got Bitcoin at $103,000. Very soon we're hitting a new all-time high. When that happens, Bitcoin new all-time high means that everything else is going bazooka. You're not ready for that one. Ethereum at $2,336. I told you, Ethereum is the easiest trade of the year. Even your grandmother can play that trade. All you need to do, open a long position, make sure your liquidation price is under $1,000, and then wait. It's going to print money. I'm doing it live in front of you. I opened this position right here. We're now in profit. Very soon, this is going to turn into 200 grand. Now we are in profit of $21,000 within 3 weeks. 3 weeks. If you want to trade like this, I'm using Bybit. Link to Bybit is in the description. You use my links to sign up to all the platforms. You get a bunch of big discounts, free bonuses, welcome bonuses. Like on Bybit, they're giving you $1,000 for free of a trading position where you get to keep the profits if you make money. But only if you use my link, because they are my partner. Similarly, if you want to join BullX, an amazing platform for trading meme coins. It's easier to snipe in and out of positions with BullX because it makes sense. You can also use my link to do it. Link in the description, link in my bio on X, link in bio on Instagram, link in bio everywhere. I'm also using CoinW to ape into early meme coins on a centralized exchange. So if you're not familiar with DEXs and you hate managing wallets, you want a simple platform where you can just sign up and fund it and then start buying meme coins and buying and selling. I will tell you right now that platform is CoinW. Drop a W if you like CoinW too. So links to all these are in the description. Use them. You can see I have quite a significant portfolio here, $109,000 on CoinW. Yeah, I like this platform. So in the last 30 days, my port is sending. I love to see it, man. We started at 78,000. Now we're at 109,000. Almost double. Just give me a couple of hours. Give me like 48 hours. You'll see what I'm going to do to this portfolio. Okay. I couldn't find you to copy on Bybit. Yeah. I think, what is my username? My username on Bybit it's called WSB. It's like Wall Street Bets. That's my username there. So maybe if you search it, you can find it. How to participate in the giveaway? Make sure you retweet, you repost, or if you're on Facebook, share this live stream to your friends on your page and tell people about the Memecoin show. That's all it is. Anybody can get it. Anybody can get it, my friends. Goat is sending bad. You know what? The mistake I made yesterday was not buying goat when we literally talked about it. Sometimes I don't like myself, because that means we missed out on a freaking 59% pump, man. I knew it all along. Like, I knew that it was a play. I was lazy to buy it. And we talked about it yesterday. I should have just at least put a 10 grand in it, man. God damn it, great. But still, we had $145 million. I think it's nothing. But then there are some other plays that are even smaller than this, and they deserve to be at above 100 million. A good example of this is UFD. UFD. Unicorn Fat dust. Oh my gosh, did it 79% today. I should have bought more of this one, but I bought yesterday because we also talked about it. And also, out of all the meme coins I've been telling you about for the last few weeks, I always included UFD. One play that I should actually buy right now, you know what, guys? What we should buy right now is Jelly My Jelly. Jelly My Jelly. Okay, Jelly My Jelly is down 24%. $28 million market cap. Okay, perfect. I'm going to dump 2 SOL on this one. So, chat, you can tell me what's going on out there. Like, what are the people trading? What's hot? What tickers did I miss out on today? Let me know if they're worth it. I'll buy them. Jelly, my jelly, my jelly. I think Jelly is gonna do like a 2x anytime from now, pretty much. So we don't want to be dumb about it. We just have to do the right thing. Isn't it, Jelly? I can't see clearly with these sunglasses, man. Fuck. Here we go. Jelly, my jelly, my jelly. Oh, wow. Why did it get dumped on so hard? Is there any bad news going on? X, tell me about it. Jelly, my jelly. Let's see. Maybe there's some bad news. On March 9, attack happened, the most damaging exploit over Hyperliquid. In just one day, it lost 200 million. Jelly was the fresh trade that made some of my community members not take trade yesterday. I'm happy to announce to you that it has revealed that it's now in profit, as you can see. Okay, so a lot of people are trading Jelly, actually. Wow, this guy shorted Jelly. What's going on? Why is it being shorted on? Dupe is literally 50. Dupe launched during Jelly days on the mill. Okay, I don't want to hear all this nonsense. I want to hear about Jelly, my jelly. Okay, I don't know what the story is, but it looks like everybody's fighting on Jelly. So I'm going to drop 1 SOL on it just because I'm a Chad. And I play with no fear. Boom, we're in. Jelly 1 position, 1 SOL for now. Unless if something comes out, I'll sell. But for now, that is the play. So I see Jason here is asking me about Giga. Giga hasn't run yet. I want to buy it. The problem is that I do have $30,000 here to invest, but CoinW hasn't listed Giga unless I'm tripping. Let's see. If they do have it, I'll buy it right away because I know it has to run as well. Giga. Okay, so looks like clearly CoinW has not listed Giga yet. Okay, Giga not listed. Sucks. But I can buy it on Dex right now. I have 1 more so I could spend on something. So that's going to be on Giga. Giga Chad. One so into Giga. Take my money. Boom. We in. Dom says, I messaged Banman Kevo about the DT coin. No response. Yeah, I don't think you're going to get any response on that. The thing is also the play was really bad, man. Like, I don't, even Didi himself posted about it. Can you imagine? Mr. Didi, Mr. No Vaseline, or what is it? No baby oil. Apparently, Mr. Didi launched the coin. Didi himself posted it. So I met a bunch of VC guys today, and they were excited about Memecoins. And they told me about Didi coin. So I'm like, yeah, I know about Didi coin. I bought it yesterday. And Didi actually also posted the coin. Was it Didi? Yeah, here we go. On May 8th, Didi posted the coin. The CA was dropped by Mr. Didi himself. And Ye or Kanye West also reposted this coin of Didi. So these people were telling me that, when Kanye launches his own coin, there are rumors that Kanye is going to launch a coin. At this point, I believe it because Ye has really gone bananas. And I was like, you know what? Even if Kanye launches his own coin, it's not going to do that well because look at Didi's coin. Launched yesterday, supported by a bunch of big influencers, including Kanye West, and they couldn't even break $100 million. Of course, they have like a week all the way to 170 million, but it's not real. It's all for Gazi. The actual real substance here is that it opened here at 20 million. And it closed the first candle at 47 million. And then after that, it's been down only. So I don't even want to touch any of this stuff. But if anybody made money, if Kevo made money and all that, anyone who is involved, congratulations to you guys. But you have to know that coins like these are created for one reason only. The celebrity is promised money, that we're just going to launch a coin just so that we can make money for ourselves. There's no community consideration. There is no long-term planning. There is no community to begin with. So that's why we stick to things that we love, like Moo Deng. Okay, now speaking of Moo Deng, how high can Moo Deng go? And you're going to think I'm crazy when I tell you what is about to happen. Okay, so baby Moo Deng, where is it in the charts? Okay. This is Moo Deng. Moo Deng has so much aura. The amount of aura that you have never heard before. You have never heard so much aura like this. It's a lot of aura. Moo Deng has it. So it's right here. This is what the chart looks like, right? And you're like, oh, wow, Moo Deng was down bad. Even this pump right now is actually nothing as compared to what it used to be. That proves to you that there is a massive upside from here just to get to where to break a new all-time high, it needs to do a 4x. So there is still a lot of opportunity to make money here. And a lot of people are buying Moo Deng like crazy. That's one. Now, I want you to expand your brain, because if I say, well, Moo Deng is going to go to $2 billion market cap minimum, you're like, oh, what does that mean? You mean like a 20x from now? Yes, I mean 20x from now. It's exactly what you should expect, minimum. You're like, oh, yeah, but that is crazy. Why would you say something like, okay, so if you don't believe that Moo Deng is going to $2 from where it is now, I will show you something interesting. This is another meme coin that you have never heard of before. It's not funny whatsoever. It's currently trading at $1.39. And at its peak, it went all the way to $2.65. So if a coin like Fartcoin that you have never heard of and nobody cares about it much, but it's doing numbers, what about Moo Deng that is already has aura, has people supporting it worldwide? It's a real animal in the world. It's a real meme on TikTok, on Instagram, and Coinbase already listed it. How high do you think it's going to go? I think it's going to go a lot higher than Fartcoin. And it's why I am extremely bullish. So guys, we're looking at a 20x play at a minimum, just to catch up, just to break a record of Fartcoin of $2. That is going to happen. Boom, $2 broken. But if you really want to go bananas into Valhalla with it, then be aware that this could go to $20 billion. So nothing you have seen right here means anything at all. Like whatever we have seen here is nothing. When if this is the real bull market has been activated and the market's just going to go crazy, I'm telling you, anything we have seen is nothing compared to what is about to come. These prices we're looking at, we will look, but I already told you about this like a few weeks ago. I was like, yo, Moo Deng was like at $32 million. I was like, guys, we're going to look back at these numbers and be like, oh, those were the golden days. So if you think that $139 million is high, well, wait until you find out. What happened in the last 24 hours will happen more and more and more, but even at a wider scale. So I'm not saying that it's going to be a smooth ride because we have been here before. Moo Deng sort of experienced a big pump at one point, reached 240 million. The next candle, however, crashed it all the way to 120, and it went all the way down to like 98 million. And then it took off again, then we went over to 600 million. So yeah, we pushed higher right now, but things could change. We could go a little bit lower as well. But in the long term, if you're a hodler, if you're gonna hold on to Moo Deng, we have a lot of room to push. So Island Boy says, I'm 500% up on my Moo Deng long. Yeah, congratulations. It's exactly what we need. House coin, is it a real deal or cabal? Stay away. It's a cabal play. I already said this before, even when I said this last week already, that stay away. That is a purely cabal play. No, it's just people who were desperate to launch something because they were not getting the attention. So stay away. I would tell you guys, this is the key to investing in meme coins to begin with. If the KOLs, the influencers are talking about it so much and pushing it, it's because they have been paid. The way meme coins that are not real, the fake meme coins, the way they launch, someone come up with an idea and then they pay a bunch of KOLs to promote it. So when you see a project that is being supported by like every KOL you follow, just know that they're being paid to support it, and they've been given an allocation, maybe 1% of the token. The moment it launches, they start selling, so you can never win. House coin is one of those. So you need to stick to things like Moo Deng that are like, they don't really have real support of anyone. Nobody is being paid to promote them. Or Fat Coin, they're just pure organic. Because when they work, you win big. And we want to win big. I know you want to win big. Have you heard of Chromebook? Is that a meme coin or is an actual laptop? I've heard of a Chromebook as a laptop, sure. We need a US stimulus package, and Jerome Powell needs to cut rates. That is coming. That is absolutely coming. I think it's a given. We just have to wait for Powell to do its thing. You know, he needs to have a meeting with Trump, and they need to be on the same page. But it's coming. There is no way they can keep the rates as high as they are. Why is this thing not showing my face anymore? This is quite suspicious. It's paying attention to a different area that I don't want to show. There you go. That's the right way to do it. Yeah, you know, JG, I definitely appreciate it. If you heard about Moo Deng from me and you profited, congratulations. I'm not a financial advisor. I just share what I do. And I also I take the heat from these things. You know, I find a coin that I like, I go hard about it, I don't hide it. But when things start going the other way around and people call me, oh, what about your Moo Deng is dead? Okay, sure. Is he dead now or you're the one? A good example of this is Ando. I've been supporting Ando since the beginning, and then people hate me for it. They always buy, because you see a lot of people, they don't watch the Memecoin show every day like you guys. They watch when things are hot. So right now you can see that a lot of people are now watching the stream because, like, oh, he's talking about Moo Deng. Okay, let's see what's going on with Moo Deng. But the moment the thing starts crashing again, you will see they'll reverse their course. So I've been talking about Ando because I love the project as well. Today we now at $1 today. Oh, yo, check it out. The bullish candle on the Nitros Bull has been printed on Ando. Now, if you had your gas on like 5% on Ando, I think you got to double down. I got to open a long position on this baby. Let's go. Do I have money? Do I have money right now, sir? Bybit, show me the money. How much money do I have here? Okay. How much money do I have? Okay, I think I'm going to buy some Ando, bros. I think I'm going to buy some Ando. Ando alone. Why are we doing it this way? Because the Nitros Bull said so. And we're just following the Nitros Bull calls right now. Okay, so Ando long, according to my friend here, I'll do what you say, sir. So it's going to be a 5x. You know, I'm a very disciplined man when it comes to my leverage. I don't go bananas too much. But when we start winning, we can increase the leverage. Okay, I'm going to put 10K on it. If I have the 10K, that is. Okay, so I'm opening a $50,000 position rather. $50,000 on Ando. Take profit has to be $5. And it means that I'll make a profit of about $194,000. And our stop loss, we can have a look on the 1 hour, just in case. Okay, if we go below 93 cents, then maybe I want to sell. And take my loss and keep it moving. But other than that, I think I need to turn it on for this restricted account. Okay, so I can open it for this. You know, on Bybit, you can turn off some pairs if you don't want them to be traded, if that account is accessible by other people. So some of my team members have access to it, my traders, and then I have to shut down some positions. So I need to go to settings. We can actually do it now. Or I can just message someone now to do it. Because this is an institutional account. You know what I'm saying? So it's an institutional sub account. You can. This is why another reason why I should get a Bybit account is because you have all these options. You've got institutional accounts, and with your institutional accounts, you can have a lot of sub accounts, and each sub accounts can have different settings, API keys, and all that stuff. So I just messaged someone to change the settings for me so that we can open this Ando position. Okay? Because we have to do it. Bell's coin is a hidden gem. Did Binance release your funds? Yeah, they did. Shake Pepe Frog Bar. They say I'm a Moo Deng ambassador. I wish. Moo Deng, send me some free tokens because I've really been pumping you for real. What's my take on SCF? To be fair, these days I don't trust any coin that is being shielded by Arthur Hayes. So that's my take on SCF, like you said. He was shilling this coin really hard, and then he just left it in the water. They don't talk about it anymore. It's the cabal that owns it. Though it actually does have a good ratio of liquidity to market cap. I'm just not going to touch it. I think someone else probably will make a lot more money with it, but not me. Did I buy Trencher? No, I ended up not buying it. I'm making so much money from crypto.com Lioncoin. Okay. What the hell is that? Lioncoin. What is that? Lioncoin. It's on the crypto.com chain, right? They call it Kronos or something. Yeah. Is it this one? Lion, loaded lions? What? $2 billion, $30 million liquidity. That's insane. So how are you making money? Oh, like you're just holding it? Oh, I see. Wow, they don't even have that much people trading it. But it's sending. So, if it sends, it sends, bro. It doesn't matter. The volume is weaker, but I don't understand what's going on with it, with crypto.com stuff. Tiago is in here. When Lambo, when Moo Deng hits $2 billion, we're buying Lambos for sure. Ah, I see. Okay, so you got in early and there's some staking. Wow, but that is a huge move. It looks like, oh, it's actually brand new. So it started in March, and to this day, it's up 3,000% or so, 4,000% almost. Impressive trade, man. Well done. When will you pump MEN token? Okay, that's a very good question. I haven't talked about MEN in a long time. Maybe I should start buying MEN right now. MEN. There is still $14,000 in MEN. Okay, so let's bring back black MEN. I'll buy a little bit of MEN right now just to wake it all up. MEN. You know what happened? The women made so much money with black men. All the women that are brought here on the show, they bought black men and they managed to sell it also. They sold, they took their profits. We're the only ones, the men, who actually just never sold. But they're cheats, so let's not take them seriously. They cheated on us. We don't trust them anymore. So I'm buying 1 million Memecoin. Oh, I just bought some MEN. I think I started a pump right there just with that one buy. Yeah, let's bring back black men, guys. I think it's about time. The trenches are back. Let's bring it back. Black men. The CA is called MEN. That is the play. Okay, so we got Erin here. Let's help her or him. Says, man, I got $110,000. Now our portfolio is up $110,000, guys. Live. $111,000. We keep pumping. I don't know which coin is going up, but whatever it is doing, I love it. So be aware that if Chill Guy goes 4x from now, we will make $100,000 on Chill Guy alone. Okay, so let's help our friends here. Says, I got $200 yesterday, and I lost $15 in Moo Deng and Thai AI. So listen, man, that's not how it works. You're literally the perfect example of the people we talk about in this show. Mid-curve. Because what you're doing is that we come out here, we're coming on the stream to celebrate a win. We're saying, oh, Moo Deng has gone up. It means that yesterday and last week it was down. That's when you were supposed to be buying it and feel comfortable when it hasn't pumped yet. Now, you're buying something that is already hot. Chances are you're going to have to experience a little bit of pain because there'll be a little bit of sell-off, but it's not like you buy today and tomorrow you wake up, you're rich. It's not how it works. It's patience. Last week, I was minus $5,000 on this Ethereum position, but now I'm up $21,000 because I didn't sell. So just because you're down $20, you only lose when you sell. So if you're down $20 and you just have to hold, that's what happens. Oh my gosh. Nether Taxi is back with us, guys. The Trench Warriors are coming back. Bring back the OGs. We're about to get rich again. Do not get it wrong, guys. The team is coming back. We're about to get rich again. But this time around, we're going to take so much profit. Because last time, we ran up the bags. We made so much money, we just never sold. I wonder, do we sell in May and go away? Bro, like there is no selling May. I mean, if you want to consider selling, I would say wait until each one of those plays that you have reach a new all-time high, because none of them are even halfway there. They're just getting started, just getting warmed up. I lost because I bought Moo Deng at $150 million market cap. Yeah, but that's, bro, Moo Deng was at $600 million market cap. People were buying it at that moment, and then it went down to the shitters like 28 mil. So do not be too emotional about it. This is the trenches. Tiago understands it really well. He's like, it's time to accumulate and walk away right now. Perfectly said. Because if you don't have the temperament to weather the storm, you're going to be buying and selling, buying and selling. It's time to buy and walk away. This is perfect advice actually right now. Accumulate, walk away. Come back to the market in July and see how big your portfolio is going to be. It's going to be a giant portfolio. So, okay, let me explain this to some of you guys if you're new to investing, okay? When you invest, you don't just expect the number to just keep on going up and up. Let's say you invested $1,000 in a position. You wake up tomorrow, you now have a balance of $800. You're still in position. That does not mean that you have lost you now have lost money. The position will obviously be moving up or down, because the market is never just stable. It's constantly moving. So you can't say you lost money, because what this guy is saying is that, oh, I had $150 yesterday, but now I have $130. So now I have lost. So it's like me thinking that this is real, like $111,000. I can't expect you to just be stable. I know it will go to 106,000 and go to 120,000. It will be like an up and down until we get to $1 million. So you need to get used. If you're holding assets in crypto or even in stocks, these assets are not US dollars. The dollar is the only currency or other fiat currencies that give you an illusion of stability. You think, oh, the dollar, I have $100 today. Tomorrow I also have $100. Well, because it's not showing you the inflation that has been eating it out in the last 24 hours. It's not showing you the senior rate that is being held on that, or whenever it's being created. It's not showing you all the other metrics, the exchange rates that are going on live in that moment. So please, you haven't lost any money. But if you sell your Moo Deng right now, then yeah, you can be like, okay, I have a $20 realized loss. That is how we account for investments and trade. Can you pump my coin, Frog Bar? Bro, send me the coin. Send me the coin and maybe I'll pump it. Yeah, exactly. Bro must be new to the trenches. Yo, you see this number right here? It's $111,000. If you watch my videos from December, this portfolio was up 250K. And if you watch my stream from like 1 month ago, this was $72,000. It went down. And now you watch it today, it looks like 111,000. So relax. We all gonna be good. Murad is adding another coin to his picks. Which one is that gonna be? You guys tell me. Has he announced already, or maybe it's Moo Deng? Maybe it's Moo Deng. That's why it's going up, right? Maybe. Can you look at TP Take Profit and give me some feedback? Okay, sure. Can you promote our coin? Yeah, if you send me the coin and some Solana, I might promote it. Because the idea of the Memecoin show, what we want to do now, we want to be giving away money every freaking day. So we want people to sponsor the show. We can review your projects, your coin. We can talk about your platform. As long as you pay us, and then we'll take that money and give it back to the community that are watching, because they are what makes this show valuable, right? So yeah, if you send us the coin, sure, we'll talk about it. I got $2,000 in Moo Deng after this year. Congratulations, smart man. Moo Deng market cap will hit $3 billion. No, I think $20 billion, bro. $3 billion is bearish case. Check out Popcat. I mean, you guys know I don't like Popcat, but if you want me to check it out, I will. Popcat is sending again. Okay, looks like the Popcat swing is happening again right now. It's just warming up. Let's look at Nitros Bull, what it says. Is this something we should be buying now? Popcat. I love the website of Popcat. I hate the meme because it's a fake meme. Oh, okay. So Nitros Bull actually called it a long time ago that Popcat is sending. Maybe I'm a little bit late on this one, so I'll stay away for now. But yeah, it looks good. Good setup. $510 million market cap. Congratulations. Okay, let's see. What else got a bullish signal on it that is just printed? Okay, ICP also on the talking about altcoins. ICP bullish candle just got printed today on the Nitros Bull. Already also today. So a lot of altcoins will send in the next couple of days, actually. Ando also today. SPX a few days ago. Toncoin about to print. I think if it closes above 3.25 tonight, we might see a signal printing as well on there. Magic Eden, it's bearish, very bad. And then you got Runecoin, which is kind of dead now after the hack. So much opportunity to make money out there, guys. You know, I tried to convince Murad to get into Moo Deng, but I don't know. Maybe he doesn't like animals or something. I don't know. But bro, imagine if Murad opens his eyes and realizes that Moo Deng is the future. He just need to be like, yo, I'm adding Moo Deng to my portfolio. Everything is going to go bananas on that day. Ando back above $1. Yeah, we talked about it earlier already. Ando just warming up. I have a big position in Ando. I believe in the project. So here's what I'm going to do. I discovered a new platform that I'm using for trading, and I want to share it with you guys also. So let me get the link quickly. Okay, guys, so I'm now using Axiom to trade. I find it really, really, really cool. So if you don't have an account, you can use Gray BTC as your invite code on Axiom. I'll also put a link in the description. I'll also put a link in my okay, anyway. But yeah, I'm using Axiom. It's actually a much, much better trading experience for Memecoins. So if you're gonna sign up, if you wanna use Axiom, use it. I'll put the link in the Telegram group right now. If you're not in the Telegram group, make sure you do it. I need someone who knows how to manage Telegram bros to work with me to be on my team. So if you're good at Telegram management and you have some experience to run a Telegram page or a Telegram group, you know how to do the bots and everything, send me a message on X and I might consider you. Okay, so I just dropped a link to Axiom. And also, if you're going to use Axiom, they will definitely launch their own token at some point. And there's a point system. If you want to get an airdrop in the future, I think you want to use it. So never say I didn't tell you. I just dropped it into our Telegram group. Check it out and use it. Sign up. Gray BTC is my invite code. GREY BTC. Start using it. Starting tomorrow's live stream, I will be using Axiom and not other platforms for trading meme coins. So I mean, I'll be using everything. I like BullX because of the Telegram bot, but I will also be using Axiom a lot more. So tomorrow we're going to start a new portfolio in Axiom, and we're going to trade it all the way up. I'm going to buy some Moo Deng and several others. How to make you promote our coin? I mean, send me the coin, bro. Send me some soul and the coin. That's all you need to do. My Twitter account name is Gray BTC. Everywhere I go, it's Gray BTC, but Gray with a E, not Gray with a A. Gray with a E is wrong. It's immoral. This is my X. And if you want to use Axiom and you want an invite code, use Gray BTC. Same on Bybit. If you want to sign up on Bybit, they want an invite code, use Gray BTC. All platforms you want to sign up, use Gray BTC, get a lot of benefits, free stuff. Is July a good time to sell? I think July is much better. You can take some profit. So by July, most of your coins are going to do like 3x, 4x, 10x. So at least you can sell something. When do you think the market will top? Bro, the market will top when Bitcoin is at $250,000. That to me will be kind of, we are in the top range. Guys, we're way below, not Ethereum is below its all-time high. It hasn't even broken through. And you guys are talking about the top. Like, we are way far from it. Way, way far from it. Okay, so let's just look at the The Dex Screener trenches, what are these guys trading today? These days, at least. Oh, why? This dude coin has now gone to 65 mil. Okay, I missed out on that. Fog. Okay, sounds interesting. Coin is up 33%. We talked about it. Hot Mom, 4 million. I remember this coin from, oh, is this a new launch? Okay, looks like the trenches are really back. Like a new launch straight to $4 million. Moo Deng. Okay, it's up a lot. House coin trying to come back to life, but it's still weak. Fog. It's still very early to buy Moo Deng. Absolutely, 100%. What happened to Audi? Narratives change, man. It's over for like ordinal narratives. I think that's cooked, unfortunately. Griffane, good to see it pump because I'm holding a little bit of that. Okay. Murad is the cream of the top from Eastern Europe, and Gray is the cream of the crop from wherever it come from. It was a treat to see both of them in one sitting, shooting the breeze. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. We all gonna make it. By the end of the bull run, guys, we're all gonna be multi-millionaires, and we're gonna be like, yo, guys, it's been a long run, but it was fun. What about Ando? I talked about Ando already. I talked about Ando already. We just broke $1. We're now going to the moon anytime soon. So this might be the last moment you ever find Ando under $1. So never say I didn't tell you guys. I think, and the Nitros Bull already told us right now that Ando is about to skyrocket. The bullish candle has been called. The bullish signal has been called already. I will show you right now. You see this? On the daily, it says bull. Whenever it says this, it means that it's about to run. So never say I didn't tell you, because it's about to happen again. This time around, the unlock is way far ahead of time. So we're going to break $2 and we're going to go to $3. And before you know it, we had 15 bucks. Are you still long on Trump? I'm not. I don't have a long position, but I have a spot position. Yeah. Can anyone help me and tell me how to get a leverage position? Okay, so here's the deal with leverage. I'm using Bybit here, for example. So all you need to do is to go to my Twitter account. You go to my profile, and you're going to click on this Linktree link. Boom. It will show you all the platforms that I use, including Bybit or BullX. So if you want to use leverage to trade, you click on Trade with Me on Bybit. And then you can sign up. And when you sign up, it will give you everything you want. And then on that platform, you will be able to open positions like what I have here. Go long, go short, and all that stuff. Yeah, look, the trading volume on Moo Deng is insanely crazy. It's just, both spot and perpetual swaps is just highest level kind of shit. I'm still counting on whiff. Actually, you just reminded me of whiff. Maybe I should accumulate a little bit of it in the port. Okay, because I bought Dogecoin yesterday. I still have $30,000 to spend. I want to buy something. I just need to find the right thing. Dog we've had. Okay, what's the market cap now? Okay, so 730 million. Okay, that's pretty high, but not high enough. So I would just buy 5K worth of whiff right now. Whiff, 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 whiff. Doug we've had. So I'm dumping $5,000 on WIF right now because it's completely oversold. It's usually supposed to be around $3 that coin right now. So there we go. Are runes ever gonna come back? Yeah, surely. Anything is possible at this point. When can we agree we have enough dog meme coins? Tiago, that is a very good point. I think dogs are extremely overplayed. This is the reason why I got obsessed with Moo Deng, because I was like, one of the main reasons why Moo Deng is very attractive, it's because it's not a dog meme. Everything out there is a dog meme. Dog meme. It's like people got tired. Even on Binance now, they're launching so many dog memes, and Moo Deng is much more different because it's unique. First time for a hippo to have its own meme coin, and it's actually funny. So yeah, I agree with you. Like, the dog memes are extremely overplayed. What about NFTs on Bitcoin Eco? Yeah, I'm still holding Ordinals inscriptions. We'll see how that is going to play out. But I think if NFTs are ever going to come back, they will come back on Bitcoin blockchain. So if you're still optimistic about it, the smartest thing is to just start accumulating. I might do another stream where I just buy a bunch of NFTs just in case. Okay, bro. So I streamed for an hour. It's like almost 2 a.m. here in Dubai. So I'm going to take a break. But tomorrow I will be back and I'll stream for a longer time tomorrow. I plan to do the same today, just didn't quite work because I have to trade and then I had to do some meetings. But tomorrow it's going to be an amazing day. Congratulations to everybody that's winning. You all deserve it, but this is only the beginning. And I'll give you a quick preview of where we are right now. Our meme coin portfolio right now on CoinW, we have a balance of $110,000. I think we have done well from $72,000 about, this was when? Just over 3 weeks ago. And on our Bybit trading account, we now have Ethereum long. We're now in profit of 21,000, but I'm not closing the position. Same for TON, we got 2,300 position. I'm still holding. I think this could go to $200,000. If you want, you can also copy these positions. As long as the Ethereum one, I think as long as your liquidation price is below $1,000, you should be fine. So my liquidation price for Ethereum is $939. I don't think Ethereum is going to go there. That's why I'm confidently still holding this position up to now. All right. That is the play, basically. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And also, we've got some trench positions here on BullX. And none of them have matured already, but we've got about 18 positions from what I can remember. None of them have matured, but our goal on here, we started with 8 SOL. We want to try to flip it into 16, and then 32, and then 64 and 128, and so on and so forth. Okay. Oh, yeah. Good point here. Let's look at Cookie right now on Nitros Bull. Cookie. I heard a lot of Cookie. Yeah, so Cookie is actually was called bullish already by the Nitros Bull in April. So yeah, it's been in a bullish territory in which I think it has to keep on going for now. It's extremely oversold based as compared to what it was before. So we still have a long way to go with it. One thing I'll also remind you, if you want to get the Nitros Bull, which is the indicator I'm using here, it gives you these signals. Bear, it means it's time to sell or time to short. Bull is time to buy or time to go long. It's very, very helpful. You can find it at cryptouniversity.network. When you go to Crypto University's website, it has signals right here. You go to signals and you should be able to buy the Nitros Bull indicator right here, this one. And then also anything that I'm using to trade, whether it's Bybit, CoinW, or BullX, use my links in the description or link in bio. And if you want to get some merchandise, if you're a real trench warrior and you want to get some merch, go to dgenware.store. You can buy merch of SPX, of Moo Deng, AI16Z, whatever you want, you can find it here, guys. Okay? Check it out. Let's find the Moo Deng because this stream was meant to talk about Moo Deng. You can find some Moo Deng merchandise on the stream. And yeah, you can enjoy it there. Moo Deng, Millennium merch, feed for a dynasty. You got t-shirts, caps, hats, hoodies, whatever you want. You got SPX 6900 merch as well, which you guys can enjoy. So go to dgenwear.store for everything. If you buy for at a minimum of $150, you get free shipping. You can buy even for $20 if you want. But if you want to get free shipping to anywhere in the world, you have to orders have to be minimum $150. All right, to give away to the masses, yeah, let's give away some money to the masses. When we're winning, we have to give away to the people. It's only right. So, okay, who is that person who lost? Someone said that they lost 150. They lost like $30 on Moo Deng. They are very new to trading meme coins to the trenches, and I think we want to keep them. So let's invite them over. Let's give some Solana to this person today. Do you want to drop your email? Yeah. Aaron, you want to drop your Solana? Drop your Solana address in the chat right now. Drop your SO address, and I'm going to bless you right now. Otherwise, let's blast some music right now. We call them poor. Those that are not trading the trenches with us, we call them poor. Just a matter of time.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People.
Yeah, man. Welcome everybody. If you're just getting started with trading Moo Deng, you're more than welcome. Let's enjoy Moo Deng. It's a coin of the people. You know what I'm saying?
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right. I mean,
All right, Aaron. So I don't see the text from you. Do you want to just send it to me on X? Or wait, let me just check on YouTube directly because I'm using a different platform to stream here. We call them poor. We call them poor. That's the name for it. We call them poor. Okay, I got it. I think I managed to get it from YouTube directly. Let's bless the man with some soul. Bless the man with some soul. Bless the man with some fish. Bless the man. Yeah, I sent you some Solana, bro. Congratulations for being awesome, and welcome to the most loving, the most fun meme coin and crypto community on the freaking internet. We all gonna win. We're in it together. We win, we lose together, but we know that in the long run, we are all going to walk away as multi-millionaires in this freak. So yeah, you know, the love here, guys, is going to be real. And again, I'm saying this again. My goal is for us to have the most fun making money. And I want us to find a way to give away thousands of dollars per day on the live stream. So the way we're going to do it, I have the plan. The way we're going to do it, we make the Memecoin show the biggest show on the planet for crypto. And we get sponsors to sponsor it. So for every episode, we will be taking the money that the sponsors give us, and we're going to give it to you, the people, because you are the Memecoin show. So there's something you can do about it to make it happen. You need to subscribe to the channel. You need to share every live stream that we make. You need to tell your friends about it. Like right now, if I'm streaming, you need to retweet it if you're watching on X. Mention your friends. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Facebook, share it so that other people can see it. If you're in a Telegram group or in some WhatsApp groups, take a link and share with your friends in there so that more and more people come in. We need to get thousands watching, and then we'll be getting thousands from sponsors, and then we take those thousands every day. We give thousands to people. We want to reach to that level. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Caleb says, what's your opinion on Coinbase platform? I mean, if you're in the US, it might be the easiest platform, but I don't recommend it otherwise. If you have other options, use something else, because man, Coinbase is a headache. It's like Binance now. They'll ask you a bunch of documents, a lot of questions, and they freeze your account sometimes. So I try to stay away from platforms like that. Otherwise, we call them poor. People that use fiat currency. I'm going to stream again tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Yeah.